Hello friends, welcome to Easy Homemade Projects. In today's video, I will show you how to make this good looking USB powered digital clock using Arduino and dot matrix display. This video is sponsored by JLC PCB, where you can order your 5 pieces of up to 32 layers PCBs starting from $2. If you are planning to order premium 6 layer PCBs, this is right time for that. Place your order and get a special discount of $30. One of a good addition in their services is flexible PCBs. Now you can order flexible PCBs starting from $2. To order for your PCB assembly, first upload PCB Gerber files, then bill of material file and pick and place file, and then place your order. Okay guys, so after placing an order at jlcpcb.com, I got these two boxes within a few days. So we got our PCBs in this box and a 3D printed case for our digital clock from JLC PCB 3D printing service. So now I will open these boxes to show you our new products. Okay, so here are our PCBs. As you can see, the build quality is perfect and very nice as always. And here is the 3D printed case for our digital clock. Really nice and great finish. Here are all the components that are required to complete our digital clock. First of all, here you can see this is 1N4148 Zener diode. This is our new PCB, and this is HW1111 real-time clock module. A micro USB jack, two small tactile switches. This is Arduino Nano, some male header pins, and this is MAX 7219 LED dot matrix display module. And this is our 3D printed case. Here is the circuit diagram for our project. So now we will solder and assemble all the components according to this circuit diagram. Okay guys, so here I connected this RTC module and Arduino Nano directly to our PCB with the help of some header pins. And now we will connect these buttons with our PCB with the help of some extended wires. So here is the ground pin. We will connect this pin here with this ground terminal, and B1 will be connected here and B2 will be connected here. And then these buttons will be connected here with the help of some hot glue. We will also do the same with this micro USB jack, and then it will be connected here like this. Okay guys, so finally all the wiring connections are now complete. So as you can see, the button wires are connected with these terminals, and the USB jack wires are connected with these terminals, and the display module wires are directly connected with these terminals according to the labels on the PCB. So now it's time to burn the Arduino code. After burning the Arduino code, now we will fix all these things inside the casing. Now we will put some paper tape here, and now this thing will go here. Now we will put this back cover here, and then we will tighten it with the help of these small screws. Okay guys, so finally our USB digital clock is complete, and now it is ready to use. Now I am going to connect it with this USB power supply source. As you can see, it is working properly. So we can press both of these buttons at once for time settings. Here you can set hours, and here you can set minutes, and here you can set the brightness of the display. So guys, that's it for today's video. All necessary information about this project you can find in the video description. I hope you will like this project, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe.